Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is a common hormonal disorder affecting women of reproductive age. It manifests in various ways, including irregular periods, acne, excess hair growth, and weight gain. Interestingly, PCOS is closely linked to insulin resistance, which can lead to type 2 diabetes. One of the most heartbreaking aspects of PCOS is its impact on fertility. Many women with PCOS struggle to conceive naturally, primarily due to hormonal imbalances. These imbalances disrupt ovulation, making it difficult for an egg to be released and fertilized. This can be an emotionally challenging experience for women longing to become mothers. The prevalence of PCOS is rising at an alarming rate, suggesting that lifestyle factors like diet and stress play a significant role. The good news, however, is that PCOS can be managed effectively. With the right approach, women can reclaim their hormonal balance and enhance their fertility. Conventional treatments for PCOS-related infertility often involve medications that aim to regulate ovulation and stimulate egg production. While these treatments can be effective for some women, they also come with potential side effects. Some women experience mood swings, headaches, and bloating. Others may face more serious risks, such as ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome or OHSS, which can cause severe pain and require hospitalization. The emotional toll of these side effects should not be underestimated. Furthermore, conventional treatments often address the symptoms of PCOS without addressing the root cause. This means that once treatment is stopped, the symptoms often return. This can lead to a frustrating cycle of medication and symptom recurrence. Women deserve a more holistic approach, one that treats the whole person, not just the symptoms. Homeopathy offers a gentle and effective alternative to conventional treatments for PCOS-related infertility. It is a holistic system of medicine that has been practiced for centuries. Homeopathy views symptoms as the body's way of communicating an imbalance. Rather than suppressing symptoms, homeopathy seeks to identify and address the underlying cause of the imbalance. Homeopathic remedies are made from natural substances, highly diluted to stimulate the body's innate healing capacity. Unlike conventional medications, homeopathic remedies are safe and have no side effects. This makes them an ideal choice for women who are trying to conceive. Homeopathy takes a personalized approach to treatment. Many women with PCOS have found success in their fertility journey through homeopathy. Countless stories highlight the power of this gentle approach. These stories offer hope and inspiration to those who are struggling to conceive. One woman, after years of trying to get pregnant, finally found success with homeopathy. Her irregular cycles became regular, her hormonal imbalances were addressed. She was overjoyed to welcome a healthy baby into her life. Another woman, plagued by severe PCOS symptoms, found relief and renewed hope with homeopathy. Her acne cleared, her hair growth reduced, and her menstrual cycle regulated. She went on to conceive naturally, proving that miracles do happen. These stories are not isolated incidents. They represent the potential of homeopathy to address PCOS-related infertility effectively and safely. Navigating the world of homeopathy can feel overwhelming. It's crucial to find a qualified and experienced practitioner who can guide you on your journey. Dr. Aisha Kanwal is a renowned homeopathic physician. She specializes in women's health and infertility. With years of experience and a compassionate approach, Dr. Kanwal has helped countless women overcome PCOS and achieve their dream of parenthood. She understands the physical and emotional challenges associated with PCOS. She provides individualized treatment plans tailored to each patient's unique needs. Dr. Kanwal's approach goes beyond simply addressing symptoms. She empowers her patients to understand their bodies. She guides them towards making lifestyle changes that support their overall well-being. If you're struggling with PCOS-related infertility, know that you are not alone. Homeopathy offers a safe, effective, and holistic approach to restore your hormonal balance and enhance your fertility. Dr. Aisha Kanwal, with her expertise and compassionate care, can guide you on this journey. Take the first step towards embracing your fertility journey today. Book an appointment with Dr. Canwall through convenient online platforms like Marum or Oladoc. Your dream of becoming a parent is within reach. Take charge of your health and embrace the power of homeopathy.